Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing a smart light strip. Has RGB color. It has Wi-Fi connectivity. You can customize the colors on here. It comes with also a small little remote that runs off a watch battery, but you can also control it via voice assistant or phone app. This can be controlled via Amazon and Google Voice Assistants. It can connect to your Wi-Fi. There's a Wi-Fi button right here. Power button, brightness control. You can change the color of the lighting. There's also a sensor on here to figure out what color is coming from your television, and it will adjust the colors to that. It's also length adjustable, so there's plug-in modules right here. Then you can adjust the length by just unplugging right there. And this is the main plug that goes into the charger, and then you have the Wi-Fi connector right here that connects, so you can connect your smart assistants as well. It has timers, it has scene change, it's energy saving. It runs off a 5-volt 1-amp unit. This is just the Apple one that I'm using right now to show this off, but you can use 5-volt 1-amp USB-A charger. It says it has 50,000 hours and it's 3 meters long, so that's pretty cool. I like that it has the voice control and app control and remote control as well. Super simple, just press the buttons and you can cycle through the different colors right here. And the entire back side of this cable is adhesive, so you can really stick it anywhere. The instructions are pretty easy to read. It shows you how to connect to the Wi-Fi, how to reset everything, how to connect, how to disconnect these right here, how to set it up around the television without breaking the lights. It looks really neat. And these are from Amazon, and they're the smart light strip. All the other details that you need to know about this product will be in the description below.